What's up, marketing students? Today I'm revealing the million-dollar secret that can make or break your marketing geographic segmentation. This isn't just theory, this is how global giants dominate markets. I'll show you how location changes everything about how you sell. From countries to neighborhoods, every detail matters. I've seen businesses explode by mastering this, and others fail by ignoring it. By the end, you'll have a marketing superpower most people overlook. Let's dive in and learn how to conquer the world one location at a time. First up, country segmentation. It's the crucial first step in taking your product global. Selling in the USA is nothing like selling in Japan. The nuances are vast, and ignoring them can be a costly mistake. It's not just about language. It's about culture, laws, spending power, and what people want. These factors shape consumer behavior and market dynamics. If you use the same strategy everywhere, you're doomed. A one-size-fits-all approach simply doesn't work in the global marketplace. Imagine launching a spicy snack in the US, huge hit. Americans love bold flavors and are always looking for the next exciting snack. But in Canada, maybe maple bacon is the winner. Canadians often prefer a blend of sweet and savory, reflecting their unique culinary preferences. Even your ads need to change, loud and flashy in the US, family-focused in Canada. The messaging needs to resonate with the values and sensibilities of each target market. Every country needs its own playbook. A detailed plan that outlines your market entry strategy, target audience, and marketing tactics. Consider holidays, traditions, taxes, and shipping. A cheap product in one country could be a luxury in another. These factors significantly impact pricing and consumer perception. McDonald's nails this in India: no beef. So they sell the Makaloo Tikki burger. They understand and respect local customs and dietary restrictions. They adapt their core product to fit local culture. That's not just smart, it's survival. It's a testament to the importance of cultural sensitivity in global business. So always ask, which country are we targeting? That answer changes everything. It dictates your entire approach, from product development to marketing campaigns. It affects your product, price, advertising, and packaging. Every element of your marketing mix needs to be tailored to the specific market. You can't just slap on a new label. You have to rethink your whole strategy. A superficial change won't cut it. A deep dive is essential. Country segmentation is the foundation. Get it wrong, and nothing else matters. It's the bedrock upon which your global success is built. Even perfect city or zip code targeting won't save you if your product doesn't fit the country. Hyper-local strategies are useless if the fundamental market fit is absent. So do your research. Understand the people, the culture, and the rules. Knowledge is power, and thorough research is your greatest asset. Customize your marketing mix for each country. Don't be lazy. Dig deep. Uncover the hidden insights that will give you a competitive edge. If you do, you'll win big. If you don't, you're just burning money. The rewards are immense, but the risks of neglecting country segmentation are equally significant. Country segmentation is the first step to global marketing success. Never skip it. It's the key to unlocking new markets and achieving sustainable growth on a global scale. Now let's zoom in. Cities. Two cities, even within the same country, can feel like they're worlds apart. The cultural nuances, the lifestyles, the very air you breathe can be drastically different. New York and Los Angeles, totally different vibes. It's like comparing a tailored suit to a pair of board shorts. For a fashion brand, NYC screams sharp coats and power suits. Ads show ambition, hustle, and that climb to the top. The message is clear: success is the ultimate accessory. In LA, it's all about relaxed styles, sunglasses, and beach vibes. Ads show sun-kissed skin, convertibles cruising down the Pacific Coast Highway, and that effortless chill. Swap those campaigns and you'll flop. You'll be selling snowshoes in the Sahara. City-level segmentation is absolutely crucial for resonating with your audience. Every city has its own identity, a unique fingerprint. Food, cars, entertainment, even down to how people spend their precious time. A restaurant might push quick, efficient lunches in Chicago's bustling business district, catering to the on-the-go professional. but emphasize leisurely family dinners in Houston, where community and connection are key. Know the city's rhythm and lifestyle. Treat cities like characters, each with unique wants, needs, and aspirations. Your job: speak their language, use their slang, use local landmarks, reference local teams, show you get their city. This builds real connections, fosters trust, and cultivates lasting loyalty. People notice when a brand truly understands their city and its unique culture. After country, always ask, which cities are we targeting and how are they fundamentally different from one another? Don't blast the same generic message everywhere. Tailor your approach, personalize your messaging, and customize your offers for each individual city. That's how you stand out from the noise. City segmentation lets you get creative, think outside the box, and connect with your audience on a much deeper level. It's the secret to building a loyal, passionate, and engaged local fan base. Master it, and you'll own the city, one neighborhood at a time. Ignore it, and you'll get lost in the crowd, becoming just another face in the urban jungle. City targeting is your next marketing weapon, so wield it wisely. Now let's get micro, zip codes. For local businesses, this is where marketing becomes a science. Take a pizza shop. They only deliver to certain zip codes. Advertising citywide? Waste of money. Instead, they target just the zip codes in their delivery area. That's ruthless efficiency. It's not just pizza. Plumbers, landscapers, local stores all use zip code targeting. High-end services might focus on wealthy neighborhoods. With digital ads, you can target specific zip codes. No wasted spend. Opening a coffee shop? Run grand opening ads just for nearby zip codes. Offer exclusive deals to those neighborhoods. Build instant buzz. Zip code segmentation is about logistics. Who can you actually serve? It's the ground game of marketing. For any business with a physical location, this is essential. Don't waste money on people you can't reach. Hyper-local targeting means every dollar works harder. Master zip codes, and you'll dominate your neighborhood. Ignore them, and you'll miss your best customers. Zip code targeting is your secret weapon for local success. Next up, density. Urban versus rural. Cities are packed, fast-paced, and space is tight. People need compact products, fast delivery, and convenience. Ads focus on speed, efficiency, and fitting into busy lives. In rural areas, it's the opposite. People want durability, power, and self-sufficiency. Big trucks, sturdy tools, and ads about strength and reliability win here. Even your ad channels change. Billboards and subway ads work in cities, but rural areas need radio, local papers, and direct mail. Density shapes everything: product, message, and media. Are you selling to someone who values convenience or someone who needs rugged reliability? Your strategy must match the environment. Urban, go for reach and speed. Rural, go for trust and practicality. Population density is a critical filter. It changes what you sell, how you sell, and where you advertise. Get this right, and your message lands. Get it wrong, and you're invisible. Always match your marketing to the density of your audience. That's how you win both city and country. Now let's talk language. Never assume everyone speaks the same language, even in one city. In the US, millions speak Spanish, Chinese, and more. If you only market in English, you're missing huge audiences. Language segmentation is about respect and connection. Ads in someone's native language build instant trust. In Miami, run Spanish campaigns. TV, radio, billboards, social media. In Boston, English dominates, but don't ignore other groups. Use professional translators. Bad translations can ruin your brand. Understand local dialects and culture. Customer service matters too. If you advertise in Spanish, support must match. Language segmentation isn't optional, it's essential. Research your market's languages. Invest in quality translations and culturally aware campaigns. Make the whole customer experience seamless in every language you target. It's more work, but the payoff is massive. Speak your customer's language and you'll win their loyalty. Ignore it and you'll lose them before you start. Language is your bridge to new markets. Let's talk climate, one of the most powerful segmentation tools available to marketers. It's a dynamic force that subtly, and sometimes not so subtly, influences consumer behavior. Understanding climate and its impact is crucial for crafting effective marketing strategies. Weather shapes what people buy, wear, and do, dictating immediate needs and desires. It's a constant, ever-present factor in their daily lives. Selling winter coats in Alaska? Perfect. It's a no-brainer, a natural fit for the environment. In Florida? Useless. Unless, of course, you're selling swimwear or sunscreen. Your marketing must match the climate. It's about aligning your message with the prevailing conditions and the needs they create. Hardware stores push snow blowers in the north, anticipating the needs of homeowners facing heavy snowfall. They push hurricane supplies on the Gulf Coast, preparing residents for potential storms. Food and drink brands shift from iced tea in summer, catering to the desire for refreshing beverages in the heat, to hot chocolate in winter, offering warmth and comfort during the colder months. Timing matters. Market snow gear before the first snowfall, not after. Be proactive, not reactive. Climate segmentation is about being relevant to the moment. Anticipate needs based on weather and season. Understand the challenges and opportunities that each season presents. It's not just what you sell, but when you sell it. Timing is everything in marketing, and climate provides a natural calendar. Use climate data to plan inventory and campaigns. Be the brand that solves real, immediate problems, offering solutions that are both timely and relevant. Customers notice when you're in tune with their world. They appreciate brands that understand their needs and respond accordingly. Always check the weather map before you market. It's your guide to understanding the current climate landscape. Hot, cold, rainy, snowy. Adapt your strategy. Be flexible and responsive to changing weather patterns. Climate targeting keeps your brand relevant and your sales strong. It's a powerful tool for driving business growth. Ignore it, and you'll miss the mark. Get it right, and you'll always be in demand. You'll be seen as a brand that understands and cares about its customers. Climate is your shortcut to customer relevance. It's a direct line to understanding their needs and desires. Now let's combine area and population. It's not just density, it's about the raw numbers. Big launches? Target massive population centers like New York or LA for maximum buzz. More people means more sales, more media, more impact. Retail chains expand where the population can support new stores. Analyze population size, growth, and income to pick the best locations. Your marketing budget must match the size of the market. Big cities cost more to advertise in, but the payoff is bigger. Sometimes test new ideas in smaller cities, cheaper, easier to measure. Always ask, where are the people? Are you going big for a huge launch or testing in a smaller market? Area and population shape your budget, goals, and potential. It's the final piece of the geographic puzzle. Go where the people are, and your marketing will scale. Miss this, and you'll miss your biggest opportunities. That's it. You've just learned the 7 core geographic variables that can transform your marketing. From countries to zip codes, climate to language, you now have the tools to build smarter campaigns. This is the real-world playbook top brands use to win. If you found this valuable, hit like and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments, which variable is most powerful to you. Remember, marketing isn't about shouting to everyone. It's about reaching the right person in the right place at the right time. Now go conquer the map.